All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the continuous support. You guys keep me going, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about our good old friend Solana, so grab some popcorn and let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall market, guys, you are seeing, June closed out on a very good note, of course, on a green note. And obviously we are starting off a brand new month of July, on a really positive note. But with that being said, before anyone gets too excited, I still think Bitcoin needs to prove and reach some confirmation levels before we kind of start telling ourselves whether or not this actually is the reversal. But nonetheless, we'll definitely take a green day. You're looking at pretty much across the market a lot of green. Sol up 5.6% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at $148.25. We're also up about 2.4%, and BTC comparative market cap at $68.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.9 billion. So definitely good things as far as the price is concerned. It's not looking bad at all. But before we continue any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So it has been a really good week for Sol, actually. And I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm referring to. And once again, you are seeing a lot happening for its ecosystem, starting off with this. So we're seeing a little bit of an uptick in the meme coin, not meme coin market. Actually, meme coin market, it has a massive uptick on the Solana side, but also for NFTs. We have seen NFTs been quiet, boring over the past, I would say, month and a half, maybe 2 months. But we are seeing the non-meme coins, the NFT market booming. The last 24 hours was very bullish, and you can see this for yourself. A whale recently acquired 1 million worth of Mad Lads a few hours ago, and it also holds 244 Tensorians. So that is absolutely insane. Obviously, Mad Lads have dropped quite significantly after reaching a substantial high, but you are seeing that uptick once again coming in. So could that give us an indication that we're about to see Solana really kick off once again? These are some things we need to consider, and this is why we pay attention to this. Well, let's take a closer look and see what else is happening. So this right here is the icing on the cake. So you can see this for yourself. 21 shares filed for S1 application for Solana ETF today, following VanEck's first ever Solana ETF filing in the US yesterday. So more and more bigger players coming in and filing for Solana ETF. And I think the big boys, Fidelity and all those big players, BlackRock, I think they're coming too. When they're seeing their competitors, why would they let someone else, right? Think about it from this angle. And that's why you're seeing several of these big players coming in, listing BTC, filing for Bitcoin ETF, which obviously got approved, Ethereum ETF. And I think we're going to see the same thing happening. This snowball effect is going to really occur, and I think we're going to start seeing a lot of big ones coming and filing for a Solana ETF. And I think it's going to get approved. And again, that's my own personal opinion, but if Ethereum can get approved, why would Solana not? But this is sending shockwaves. I want you guys to understand one thing. Solana is the third asset in the crypto market that actually is getting ETF filings happening for itself. So that speaks for itself. We've been talking about Solana all year round, a bear market, but this is giving us that clear confirmation that, hey, Solana ecosystem is being felt. Its momentum is being felt, and this really sums it all up. And of course, like I said earlier, we're seeing the Solana NFT market booming right now. So if you were one of the ones that was picking up some Sol ETFs, what am I saying? Not Sol ETFs, Solana NFTs. during the last 1 month, month and a half. I'm sure you guys are smiling right now because they have gone up quite a bit over the past 24 hours. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Sol. So if we're looking at BTC dominance did go up a little bit. We're currently sitting at 54.74%. BTC actually did make its way above 62.5. I still think that we could retest 64.3 for BTC. But as I've indicated in a lot of my other videos, if you do watch them, I still do think more consolidation before continuing towards all-time highs. I think we might see, I think we could retest 64.5, 64.6 range, but I do believe that there is another shakeout left. So do not be surprised that we do see another shakeout coming. But do let me know your personal thoughts down below. But let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Sol. So if you're looking at Solana's price right now on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that it is trying to retest that key resistance. You can't make this up. So let's zoom in a little bit and take a closer look and see what is happening. So oopsies, that's not what we need. This is what we need. So you can see this for yourself. We are seeing Solana, it's wanting to break. Solana actually does want to break back obviously into these levels. But what you're starting to notice right now is this key resistance at $150 price point is really coming into play. We retested this on the 27th. As we know, I kind of gave you guys an update if you did watch that. We got rejected, and of course the entire market also saw a little bit of a minor pullback, but this was due to obviously the announcement of VanEck's ETF. And again, this is just based off of the filing itself. Imagine if we hear like BlackRock, Fidelity come out and say they're filing. I think that could play a bigger role on the price itself. And of course the filing would the approval, if the approval happens, I think Sol really goes insane. That's my personal opinion. But you are starting to see once again the price is wanting to break towards the upside above this 150 price point. Let's give it a closer look on the hourly time frame so you can see this for yourself. We actually did retest that key resistance. Can't make this up. Just 2 days back, rejection, went all the way down to 137, but you can see we're making our way back up, but quite a bit of resistance around here. But you want to see the price breaking out of that range. If it's able to break out of that range, I do believe that Sol could make its way up to the 38.2 quite fast. And again, the 38.2 Fib zone, the price is currently at 162. The next major resistance I would say is around 156, but I think it should be able to clear that after we do break out of this key resistance and move to a 38.2 Fib zone is only an 8% move. So keep those prices in mind. But so far so good. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I do believe a lot of people are going to look back on Sol, and I'm sure a lot already are. Forget about looking in the future. A lot of people already are looking back at Sol just a year ago. What was the price of Sol a year ago? I'm sure a lot of people regret they did not dollar cost average in around that price point. And I still do think in the months to come, we're going to see the same thing happen. Just look at what's happening with this ecosystem. Look what's happening as far as institutional interest is concerned. There's a lot of interest coming in Sol, and I think that is not going to stop anytime soon. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.